Hi everybody, I just wanted to do a video today to show you how to use all the new colors of Illumalift. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my actual palette that I've created, if you guys can all see that, where I have put all of my colors together so they're really easy for me to use when I'm doing makeup applications. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start with my Brightening Cream in the color Light. And the Brightening Cream is used for under the eye, around the nasal folds, anywhere you have darkness that you want to bring out. You want to infuse light into that area and you want to make sure it doesn't look kind of sallow and, age related. So we're going to go ahead and put the Brightening Cream right under the eye. I'm going to turn around and look at my mirror as I do this so I can see what I'm doing, but a little bit at a time. I have just clean hydrated skin, and that is the best way to put Illumalift products on, is on clean hydrated skin. So as you can see, I'm just slowly working the product into the areas that I want to brighten. Okay, so nasal fold is a big one, and definitely under the eye, and I'm bringing the Brightening Cream right down to my cheekbone because I want to create a nice open eye area. See how I'm just patting it in? You can already see from one side to the other what's happening to my face. I'm getting a nice brightness, but it's not building up and looking cakey, right? This is the real face right after I wake up and hydrate, so super honesty right here. So we're going to do one side at a time so you can see how this product works. So as you get to know this product, you're going to want to put it in different areas that you know you want to fix. So one of those areas for me is that darkness I get on my eyelid. I want to brighten that up. Okay, that's working well. And also blemish scars, right? I have a few red spots right now on my skin, so I'm going to go ahead over them, and that will help to get rid of some of the red when I go over with my foundation. Okay, so very easy to work with, and you can really see the difference from eye to eye. When I'm looking directly at the camera, you can see how much darker and sallow this eye looks, and this eye is nice and bright, and even the whole ocular area looks opened up. So it helps to really make the skin look dewy and fresh and illuminated so that you're not looking sallow. Okay, so the color that I currently am right now is neutral. So I'm right here on the palette. Okay, the palette goes from lightest to darkest, and we're going to work with a couple of different products so I can show you how to utilize the different colors, no matter what color skin you are. So first we're going to use the neutral foundation, and I'm going to use my Illumalift brush, and so I'm going to get a little bit of product on the brush, and I always say start with a little bit at a time because this product really does go a long way, so you don't need a lot of product. So I've only done this side of my face, and I'm going to show you how I personally wear it, but you can wear it a couple different ways. So you can do just the Brightening Cream on its own if you like. If you don't want to wear foundation, you can use the Brightening Cream with a foundation, which is what I do. So I'm going to go ahead and blend in the areas that I want to even out my skin tone. And I'm using this sort of stippling motion, right? I'm not wiping it. I'm kind of pressing and moving the brush. And this is the best way to get the product to really fill in those wrinkles and pores, age-related skin damage, anything you don't like about your skin. But it's going to leave your skin feeling very dewy and fresh and not cakey like a typical foundation does. The nice thing about this product too is you can spot treat. You don't have to put it everywhere because you're going to see, I'm not going to put it everywhere. I'm just putting it where I feel like I need it today. And it's not going to have any lines. It's not going to have any foundation face lines or that awful line you get when you're wearing the wrong color of foundation. Oh my God. I think I developed this product just for that reason. No, just kidding. So the product really is safe for every type of skin. It's safe for acneic skin. As many of you know, I suffered with hormonal acne most of my life and still do. And I don't take any medication, so it's really all about diet and what I put on my skin. That is how I care for it. So, you know, Illumalift was born because I couldn't find product that worked. I couldn't find product that didn't make my skin more irritated and break out. I couldn't find product to put on my skin when I was broken out. So this product is safe for all stages of that because there's nothing in it that's going to irritate you. So as you can see, I'm building the product for as much coverage as I need. And look at that difference from side to side. Pretty cool. And I can go right over the eye, I can go right over the brow. And again, just doing the one side of my face. The second color I'm going to use, and don't be shocked, it is the last color, which is called Ebony. We're really excited because we now have skin tones for every color of skin, and there is a color for you on this palette. Sometimes people have to mix colors. That's the reality of not being able to always do 50 shades of makeup, but I don't think it's necessary as a makeup artist. I think there's lots of ways you can utilize multiple colors to create the shade that you like. But also it's really nice to have a color that does just go on your skin and is exactly like your skin. So hopefully there's one here for you. And if not, you're very capable of mixing them to create the shade that you like, okay? So I'm going to take the darkest shade, which is called Ebony. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to give myself some brows. So what I do is I just go ahead and line the brow. And what that's going to do is it's actually going to create a really great base because when you want your brows to be filled in, you can use something to hold the powder on. And that's basically what I'm doing here, but I've created a really nice dark base. So I don't want my eyebrows to look washed out. So then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take my brow shadow and I'm going to fill it in a bit so I get the tone that I want. And I like my brows to look dark. They really frame the eye well. And so I'm just going over to do that, and you can see it creates a really nice brow. The second thing I can do with this product is I can contour. But what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go and finish the other side quickly so you can get the overall effect of what Illumalift does. So again, just under the eye. Okay, so now that I have more of an all over even skin tone, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to show you how to contour. So you can use any color you like, but I actually like the really darkest shade because there's not a lot of red in it. So I don't do a lot of contouring every day, but a little bit looks nice. So don't be afraid. Yes, it's dark. Okay. And all you're going to do is just give this a nice buff. This brush is designed to really move the product around the skin. And you can see I'm getting a beautiful contour there. The more you blend, the more natural it looks. See the difference? Natural contour. And then of course, Illumalift actually is your fresh and even palette for whatever other makeup you want to put on. So maybe you want to add a little bit of gloss or some mascara and some blush. Whatever you choose, it's up to you. And now you have a great palette to work from. Have a great day.